Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Shailendra Kumar Mangalawat, Assistant Professor of Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, Indore. Today, we discuss about in the digestive system, the organ is liver and gallbladder. What is liver? Generally, liver is a largest gland of human body. The liver and organ only found in vertebrates. Detoxifies various metabolites. Generally, it is used in the metabolism of food and drugs. Synthesize proteins and produce biochemicals which is required which is necessary for digestion. It is relation with organs, and it is anteriorly the found in the diaphragm and anterior abdominal wall. It is present in posteriorly esophagus, inferior vena cava, aorta, gallbladder, vertebral column and diaphragm. Present in laterally lower ribs and diaphragm. Present in superiorly diaphragm and anterior abdominal wall, and present in inferiorly the stomach, bile duct, duodenum, hepatic flexure of colon and right kidney. This is the relation of the other organs which is present in GIT. Basic structures: the liver is a reddish brown, wedge shaped. It is found in a wedge shaped organ with 4 lobes of unequal size and shape. It is weight found in 1.4 to 1.6 kilogram, width 15 centimeter. It is both the heaviest internal organ. It is the heaviest internal organ and the largest gland in the human body. It mainly in the GIT, very typical organ in the GIT, and mainly functions available in the liver. Basic diagram: liver found in the 2 lobes, right lobe and left lobe. This is basically center form in ligaments. Ligament found in 3 parts. First, coronary ligaments, falciform ligaments, and ligamentum teres. Finally, the last is organ gallbladder attached in the liver and anterior port. The liver is grossly divided into 2 parts when waved above right and left lobe. The falciform ligament divides the liver into left and right lobes. It is many functions are available in the first synthesis, protein produced and secreted by the liver. Mainly used liver in contain the production of proteins which is formed in DNA transcription and DNA translations. The liver plays a major role in carbohydrate, protein, amino acid and lipid metabolism. It is used for breakdown or food supplements. The liver is responsible for the breakdown of hormones such as insulins. Liver breaks down bilirubins via glucuronidation, facilitating its excretion into biles. Other functions mainly include the liver store a multitude of substances including glucose. Generally, the glucose is converted in the glycogen, and glycogen is deposited in liver. Glycogen is converted by the cells, alpha cells, and hormones in the glucagon. Such vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and vitamin K, iron and copper supplements are deposited in the liver. The liver produces albumins, the most abundant protein in blood serum. Basically, it is mainly produce the protein substance which is required various functions in the organ, various functions in the blood components, and various useful in the organs of human body. Contain phagocytes. It is mainly important for kill the microorganism. It is include the phagocytes to destroy damaged erythrocyte and foreign substance using phagocytosis. But generally, the process continues the phagocytosis. Blood supply, which is artery, are used hepatic artery and vein, hepatic vein is used in the CVS. Basic diagram: liver and gallbladder. Gallbladder is attached in the posterior port, and pancreas is attached in the posterior form in the liver. What is gallbladder? The gallbladder is a small hollow organ where bile is stored and concentrated before it is released into the small intestine. It is mainly used for the bile juice. In humans, the pear-shaped gallbladder lies beneath the liver. Pear-shaped It is basic diagrams. Gallbladder found in the three parts: neck, body, fundus. It is joined the cystic duct. Three types of duct: common hepatic duct, which is attached in the liver; common bile duct, which is attached in the gallbladder; and pancreatic duct, which is attached in the pancreatic pancreas, which is useful for the production of insulin. Basic structure of gallbladder: sides in a shallow depression below the right lobe of the liver that is grey blue in life. This is length 7 to 10 centimeter or 2.8 to 3.9 inch. Diameter 4 centimeter or 1.6 inch. It contains the gallbladder has a capacity of about 50 milliliters. It is 0.05 liters. The gallbladder is shaped like a pear shape and which is tipped only into the cystic duct. Basically, cystic duct is attached in the gallbladder with secretion of bile leaves. Gallbladder is divided into three sections: the fundus, body, and neck. Various functions of gallbladders: the main purpose of gallbladder is to store bile and also called gall. Also called, basically name is derived from the gall is bile. Needed for the digestion of fats and fruits, which is used for the gallbladder secretion of bile. Bile is used for the digestion of fats, lipids, and fatty acids. Bile flows through small vessels into larger hepatic duct and ultimately through the cystic duct into the gallbladder where it is stored. Blood supply: the cystic artery